Here's your math lesson for April 27th, 2021. You can represent a fraction with a fraction bar. The denominator tells how many equal parts the whole is divided into. The numerator tells how many equal parts you are talking about. And a little memory trick that might help you: the downstairs number is the denominator. Downstairs and denominator both start with the letter D. The upstairs is the numerator, and numerator has a U for upstairs number. Numerator upstairs, denominator downstairs. This is one whole bar. This is one whole that's been divided into three parts. If you shade one part, that is one of the three parts that is shaded, and it is the fraction 1/3. A unit fraction has a numerator of 1. That's the upstairs number. Shade the rest of the fraction bars at the right below to represent unit fractions. What patterns do you see? So for one whole, they said shade one whole, and they did it for you. Divide the whole into two equal parts, shade one part, and we're always going to shade the first part on the left, because you will see a pattern if you always shade the part on the left. So as you go down the row, shade the first part on the left of each bar. You do not have to shade anything here. Just shade one part on the left side of each hole. You will notice a pattern. Then turn to 372. Build fractions from unit fractions. Write the unit fractions for each whole. Next, shade the correct number of parts. Then show each shaded fraction as a sum of unit fractions. So you'll just have to keep copying the model of number 9 to help you remember what to do for each of these. So you can see on the left side that the whole is divided into 5 equal parts. They wrote an addition expression to show 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. So here you'll write it's one of three parts: 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. And here it's divided into 7 parts. One of 7 parts: 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7. So just copy this pattern going down. Now on the right side, it tells you how many parts to shade, and we always start from the left side of the bar shading. Then you write the addition equation that shows 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 2/5. 2 of the 5 parts are shaded. This shows 2/5. 1/5 plus 1/5 equals 2/5, and you will write the addition equation. Now here you will shade 2 parts, and this is one of 3 parts, so you'll write 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3 are shaded. This says shade 5 parts, so you shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there are 7 in all, so these are sevenths. 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 equals 5/7. You shaded 5 of the 7 parts. Finish the rest of the page.